Good afternoon, viewers. Today, I want to take you on the information that will help you to live a healthy life. When you look around and you hear news every day on television and newspaper, the rate in which people are dying is amazing. People are dying for disease that can be prevented, problems that can be prevented because of lack of knowledge. So, if you really want to run away from chronic diseases, and they live a healthy life. When I say chronic diseases, let me give you an example: kidney problems, cancer, diabetes, stroke, heart related problem, high blood pressure, chronic respiratory diseases, and so on and so forth. If you want to run away from all these problems, there are a few things you need to do, and they do it on daily basis. A lot of people are dying because of lack of knowledge, and that's why we have taken it by ourselves to educate people today what they can do and what they can avoid. The first thing you have to do, you need to understand that our body is made up of cells. All right, cells are small, tiny organisms that you cannot see with physical eyes. Well, that is the first thing. And these cells they feed on nutrients, but we are not giving them the right nutrients they need. All right, and that's why there is a big problem about health today. Now, every day, more than 1,000 plus are going on dialysis for different kinds of problem, kidney problem and heart problem and so on and so forth. Even today, it's no longer a news. People below 30 years today are having these chronic diseases I mentioned, like high blood pressure and diabetes. That is the problem. But before I proceed, some people say why I did not drop my number in the previous meetings. So if you can want to contact us, all right, you can go on 070-356-91880. 070-356-91880. Now, the first thing you have to do if you want to live a healthy life, all right, because health is wealth, but wealth is not health. You can go to market and buy motor pass, but you cannot buy human pass in the market. That is the truth. So there are things you need to do. We call it code red, all right, RED. The first R here stands for rest. As a man or a woman, you need to rest very well. You need to rest. Then how many hours do you need to rest? You need to rest at least, you have to sleep for 2 hours during the daytime and a minimum of 6 hours at night. So whether your body you like it or not, that is the natural law that the body requires to balance and relax. All right, it's 2 hours sleep in the day, then 2 hours sleep at night. Then the second one there is exercise. You need to exercise your body. Exercise helps us a lot to burn out calories and unwanted products in the body, and especially people accumulate a lot of free radicals. All right, and our body goes on and begin to have what is called oxidation. So these are problems related to the environmental factors and other things. So we need exercise to help the blood to circulate fine, also help the muscles and the body to function well. Exercise play important role. At least minimum of 30 minutes exercise a day. If you don't really have time, minimum of 30 minutes. You can do exercise inside your house. You can do it outdoor and indoor. Then this exercise and rest, you need it like 10%, 10%. But where the major problem lies is our balanced diet, what we eat. So we are not actually getting what is called balanced diets in Nigeria today because of so many factors. Poverty is there, lack of knowledge is there. So that is the problem. The Bible says, "My people perish of lack of knowledge." So people are not getting what is called balanced diets. Even those that have the money to eat balanced diet, they don't know the proportion they have to eat balanced diets, and that is the problem. So we need balanced diet, about 80% of balanced diets, if you must understand that. Now, and how do you get balanced diets? And that is the truth. There are 6 chains of food that make up balanced diets. When you talk about carbohydrates, protein, enzymes, minerals, vitamins, and lipid and steroids. All right, and you need to know the proportion in which you get all these. Number one, according to WHO, all right, they say that we should eat at least 5% of sugar and fats. When I talk about sugar, I also mean carbohydrates. Every end product of carbohydrate is sugar. So we need them little, not much. Then we need 15% of protein. Protein is good for building of the tissues and growth, but the people that actually need protein much are children that are just growing up. As an adult, you don't really need much protein because they are no longer growing. So we need little of protein, 15%, not much. But protein actually we get it from the animal products. And the animal product like red meat, egg contain cholesterol, right? And cholesterol is the major problem of heart problem, stroke, and high blood pressure today. So you need to understand that. So we need protein, but not much, all right, as an adult. But children need much of protein. But the one you need much as an adult is fruits and vegetables. And on what proportion? At